Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have AMAZFIT GTS 4 and in today's video I'm going to show you how to disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this watch. So let's get started. So if you want to disconnect from the Wi-Fi network, first we need to open the settings. To do it, press the crown button to wake up the screen, press it again to open the menu, then scroll through the menu, look for the settings icon and tap on it. Once you're in settings, find the Wi-Fi option and select it. And as long as the Wi-Fi is enabled, you probably will see the list of networks. But mine is disabled, so I'm going to enable the Wi-Fi. And now it will start searching for the networks. And if you have any networks your watch is connected to, they will appear right here at the top of the screen. And it will say connected to them. And you can disconnect from the network by tapping on the arrow icon next to the network and then removing it from the watch. Basically, how it works is quite simple. When you connect to networks on your watch, to Wi-Fi networks, you kind of save them on your watch and they're saved. And whenever your watch is in the vicinity of that network, it will try to connect to it automatically, as long as it has strong signal, basically. And if you want to disconnect from that network, you need to come to this menu and remove it from this saved list, and then the watch won't connect to it anymore unless you reconnect to it yourself. So tap on the arrow icon, then tap on delete, and once you remove the network, it won't say connected anymore, and then you can close the settings, and that's how you disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.